Hi students, good morning. So now continuation of in atomic structure, nature of light. So previous class we are discussed about that light. So nature of light. So these are first one is so first theory, wave theory of light. Wave theory of light yesterday completed. Electromagnetic waves like that. So generally is there. Simply these are. So these are electromagnetic wave like that. Okay, after that so these are wave. The distance between so these are wavelength. So these are wavelength. These are crest. These are trough. Crest and here wavelength. They are crest. These are trough. So these are electromagnetic wave. In electromagnetic wave, upper part is known as a crest. Down part is known as a trough. Wave having the following important characteristics. Wave having the following important characteristics. First one is wavelength. Wavelength. Second, frequency. Third one is wave number. Last one is velocity of light. Velocity of light. So, anyway, wave having the following important characteristics. Mainly 4 characteristics. Wave having 4 important characteristics. Wavelength, second frequency, third wave number, last velocity of light. Velocity of light. Here magnetic field, these are electric field. These are crest. These are trough. So wavelength. So wavelength can be defined as the distance between any two successive crest or troughs is known as wavelength. Wavelength means the distance between any two successive crests or troughs are known as wavelength. Wavelength is denoted by symbol lambda. Wavelength is denoted by symbol lambda. It can be expressed in units, centimeters, meters, angstrom units, nanometers. Last one is picometers. Anyway, so wavelength can be expressed in different ways: centimeters, meters, nanometers, picometers, angstrom units. So these are first wavelength. So first one is wavelength. So wavelength means the distance between any two successive crests or troughs is known as wavelength. It is represented by symbol lambda. It is represented by symbol lambda. So it can be expressed in units. It can be expressed in. So it can be expressed in. So it can be expressed in angstrom units, nanometers, picometers, centimeters or meters. So wavelength can be expressed. Units of wavelength. Units of wavelength. Angstrom units, nanometers, picometers, centimeters and meters. So the distance between any two successive crests or troughs is known as wavelength. It can be expressed in angstrom units, nanometers, picometers, centimeters or meters. Okay. Next, generally angstrom units. We know 1 angstrom unit is equal to 10 to the power of minus 8 centimeters or 10 to the power of minus 10 meters. Okay, 1 nanometer equal to 10 to the power of minus centimeters or 10 to the power of minus 9 meters or 1 millimicron. 1 millimicron or 10 angstrom units. 1 nanometer equal to 10 to the power of minus 7 centimeters or 10 to the power of minus 9 meters. This is a line indicates the R over R or simply okay. So 10 to the power of minus 10 meters or 10 to the power of minus 7 centimeters or 10 to the power of minus 9 meters or 10 angstrom units or another one is 1 millimicron. So these are 1 nanometer equal to 10 to the power of minus 7 centimeters or 10 to the power of minus 9 meters or 10 angstrom units or 1 millimicron. Okay, 1 picometer equal to 10 to the power of minus 10 centimeters or 10 to the power of minus 12 meters. So these are wavelength. Wavelength means the distance between any two successive crests or troughs is known as wavelength. It is denoted by symbol lambda. Units of wavelength: angstrom units, nanometers, picometers, millimicrons, centimeters and meters. 1 angstrom unit is equal to 10 to the power of minus 8 centimeters or 10 to the power of minus 10 meters. 1 nanometer equal to 10 to the power of minus 7 centimeters or 10 to the power of minus 9 meters or 10 angstrom units. 1 picometer equal to 10 to the power of minus 10 centimeters or 10 to the power of minus 12 meters. So these are wavelength. Second one is frequency. It is denoted by symbol mu. Wavelength is denoted by symbol lambda. Frequency is denoted by mu. That name is mu. The number of waves pass through a given point per second is known as frequency. The number of waves passed through a given point per 1 second is known as frequency. So frequency means the number of waves passed through a given point per second is known as frequency. It is denoted by symbol of mu. Simply mu equal to c by lambda. Lambda means wavelength. C means velocity of light. After that I will explain velocity of light. Mu equal to c by lambda. So it is denoted by symbol mu. Okay. After that I will explain the relation. So mu means frequency. So the number of waves passed through a given point per second is known as frequency. It is denoted by symbol of mu. Units of frequency. So units of frequency generally. So cycle per second or hertz or second inverse. So these are different types of units. Cycle per second or second inverse or hertz. Hz means hertz. H-E-R-T-Z. Hertz. So these are hertz. H-E-R-T-Z. Okay, these are all frequency. The number of waves passed through a given point per second is known as frequency. It is represented by symbol nu. So units of frequency: cycle per second or hertz. Hz hertz or cycle. So second inverse. So these are our frequency. Okay, and the third one is wave number. It is symbol mu bar. The reciprocal of wavelength is known as wave number. The reciprocal of wavelength. The reciprocal of wavelength is known as the reciprocal of wavelength is known as wave number. So wave number nu bar. So units of wave number, units centimeter inverse or meter inverse. Centimeter inverse or meter inverse. So these are units of wave number. Simply wave number nu bar equal to 1 by lambda. Wave number nu bar equal to 1 by lambda. So that is a so these are wave number. And another one is next another one is last one is velocity of light. What do you mean by velocity of light? Velocity of light means fourth one is velocity of light. It is denoted as symbol C. The distance travelled by wave per 1 second is known as the distance travelled by wave per 1 second is known as velocity of light. The distance travelled by wave per 1 second is known as velocity of light. Velocity of light is represented by symbol C. Velocity of light is represented by symbol C. So these are units 3 into 10 to the power 10 centimeter per second or 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. So the distance travelled by a wave per 1 second is known as velocity of light. The distance travelled by wave per 1 second is known as velocity of light. So it is denoted by symbol C. So velocity of light C equal to 3 into 10 to the power 10 centimeter per second, or so 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. 3 into 10 to the power 10 centimeter per second or 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. So these are different types of relations. So different types of wave having 4 important characteristics: wavelength, frequency, wave number and velocity of light. Okay, so these are different types of wave important characteristics. The distance travelled by wave per 1 second is known as velocity of light. Velocity of light is denoted by symbol C. C equal to 3 into 10 to the power 10 centimeter per second or 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Okay, next. Okay, so next another one is relation between frequency lambda, frequency nu bar and C velocity of light. Wavelength, frequency, wave number and velocity of light. Simply nu equal to C by lambda. First relation. And second relation, nu bar equal to 1 by lambda. Combining first and second equation, equal to nu equal to C nu bar. Nu equal to C nu bar. Nu bar means wave number. Here in these all cases, lambda means wavelength. Frequency, wave number, and C means velocity of light. So velocity of light. Okay, so these are velocity of light. Okay, so these are relation between lambda, nu bar and C. nu equal to c by lambda, nu equal to c nu bar, nu equal to c by lambda, nu bar equal to 1 by lambda. From this equation simply nu equal to c nu bar. So these are our different types of relations. Okay, ma? Okay, write down these formulas. Problems is there. Next class I will explain problems. Next class I will explain some problems. Next answer is electromagnetic spectrum. So electromagnetic spectrum. What is meant by electromagnetic spectrum? Electromagnetic spectrum means the arrangement of different radiations. The arrangement of different radiations with increasing order of wavelengths or decreasing order of frequencies with the same velocities is known as electromagnetic spectrum. Electromagnetic spectrum is arrangement. The arrangement of different radiations with increasing order of wavelengths or decreasing order of frequencies with the same velocities is known as electromagnetic spectrum. So the arrangement of different radiations, with increasing order of wavelengths or decreasing order of frequencies with the same velocities are called the arrangement of different radiations with increasing order of wavelengths or decreasing order of frequencies with the same velocities is known as electromagnetic spectrum. So electromagnetic spectrum. Okay, electromagnetic spectrum is the arrangement of different radiations with increasing order of wavelengths or decreasing order of frequencies with same velocities is known as electromagnetic spectrum. Okay, now I am giving no need of values, we want order. Generally we know frequency is inversely proportional to wavelength. Wavelength increases means frequency decreases, we know. Simply I will give so these are there. So these are order like that. So these are spectrum like that. Here which one first order? So electromagnetic. First one is order. Which one is more? Cosmic rays, gamma rays, X-rays, UV rays, visible rays, IR rays, cosmic rays, gamma rays, X-rays, UV, visible, IR, microwaves, TV waves. Last one is radio waves. Cosmic rays, gamma rays, X-rays, UV rays, visible, IR rays, microwave, TV waves and radio waves. So here In this case, wavelength increases. Wavelength increases. Wavelength increases. And the frequency. So, frequency decreases. Frequency decreases. Write down so that points. Wavelength increases and frequency decreases. I will give some problems. Wave number. So write down, my dear students. Write down that points. I will give some problems. Write down. One model problem. Now I will give one model problem, my dear students. Wavelength is inversely proportional to frequency. Wavelength increases, frequency decreases. Already we have materials. Once I problems, I will give some examples of our problems. Okay? Write down. Write down problems. So write down problems. First point. Okay, so numericals, writing numericals. So numericals on wavelength, frequency, velocity of light, like that. The frequency of a wavelength is, the frequency of a wavelength is 1 into 10 to the power of 6 second inverse. The wavelength for this wave is the given options: first option, second option, third option, fourth option. 3 into 4 centimeters, 3 into 10 to the power of minus 4 centimeter, 6 into 10 to the power of 4 centimeter, 6 into 10 to the power of 6 centimeter. Which option correct? Numericals on electromagnetic radiation. Electromagnetic radiation. In this case, they given, my dear students, wavelength given. They asked the wavelength of this, the frequency of wavelength given. Frequency given, they asked wavelength. So simply mu equal to c by lambda. The given frequency, they asked wavelength, centimeters they asked. Here lambda equal to c by mu. C means they given options in centimeters. Velocity of light we can take in centimeters. Velocity of light in centimeters how much? 3 into 10 to the power 10 centimeter per second. That means 3 into 10 to the power 10 by mu given how much? 1 into 10 to the power 6. So 3 into 10 to the power 10 into 10 to the power minus 6. So answer 3 into 10 to the power 4. So unit is centimeter. So which option correct? So first option correct. Very easy, my dear students. Formula mu equal to c by lambda. Mu equal to c by lambda. They given mu value. How can calculate lambda? Lambda equal to c by mu. Lambda c by mu. That means 3 into 10 to the power 10 by mu. 1 into 10 to the power 6. So answer 3 into 10 to the power 4. 3 into 10 to the power 4. So that is a problem. Write down. Okay, next problem, write down. Next problem. If the wavelength of problem number 2, in problem number 2, if the wavelength of green light is about 5000 angstrom minutes. 5000 angstrom minutes. Then the frequency of its wave is first option 16 into 10 to the power 14 second inverse. Second option 16 into 10 to the power minus 14 second inverse. Third 6 into 10 to the power 4 second inverse. Last one is 6 into 10 to the power minus 14 second inverse. So which option correct? One see. In this case, if the wavelength of green light is about 5000 angstrom minutes, then the frequency of its about wave is. Now, in this case, wavelength given, they asked for frequency. Formula. Frequency mu equal to formula c by lambda. In this case, compulsory velocity of light, we can take centimeters or meters, our wish. Now I am taking velocity of light, centimeter means lambda converted into angstrom units converted into centimeters. So simply now I am taking c equal to 3 into 10 to the power 10 centimeter per second. Lambda given how much? 5000. 5000 angstrom unit means 5 into 10 cube. 1 angstrom unit is equal to 10 to the power minus centimeters. Compulsory lambda value converted into centimeters or meters. Now I am taking velocity of light centimeters. Like that, lambda also centimeters. That means 5 into 10 to the power minus 5 centimeters. So that lambda value. Substitute the values. 3 into 10 to the power 10 by lambda means how much? 5 into 10 to the power minus 5. Simply 3 by 5 into 10 to the power of 15. So these are 0.6. 0.6 into 10 to the power of 15 answer. Or simply 0.6 into 0 answer 0.6 into 10 to the power of 15. 0.6 into 10 to the power of 15 or once options. Sorry, third option 10 to the power of sorry option. So answer, okay, simply 3 by 5 into 10 to the power of 15 or 0.6 into 10 to the power of 15 answer, or simply 6 into 10 to the power of 14. So these are second and first. So which option correct? So third option correct. Very easy. Mu equal to c by lambda. I am taking velocity of centimeters, so lambda also centimeters. So angstrom units, 1 angstrom units equal to 10 to the power of minus 8 centimeters. So we can first convert these values, answer will get. Write down. So I will give one problem, remaining problems, so already you have materials. So after that they will give materials. So now I will give one or two problems, after that you try in materials. Otherwise after that complete the lesson I will explain. Which one of the following? 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 Frequency of radiation. Frequency of radiation. Frequency of radiation. Frequency of radiation in hertz. In hertz as a wavelength. A wavelength of 600 nanometers. 600 nanometers. First option 2 into 10 to the power 13, 5 into 10 to the power 16, 2 into 10 to the power 14, 5 into 10 to the power 14. So generally, which one of the following frequency of radiation in hertz has a wavelength 600 nanometers? Here in this case they given lambda in nanometers. They asked frequency. How can calculate frequency? Generally frequency mu equal to c by lambda, same model before, but they given nanometers. Lambda equal to 600 nanometers means 6 into 10 square. 1 nanometer equal to 10 to the power minus 7 centimeters. 6 into 10 to the power minus 5 centimeters. So velocity of light, I am taking centimeters, so velocity of light also centimeters. 3 into 10 to the power 10 by 6 into 10 to the power minus 5. 3 by 6 into 3 by 6 into 10 to the power 15. Answer. 3 by 6 means 0.5 into 10 to the power 15. 0.5 into 10 to the power 15 or simply 5 into 10 to the power 14. So fourth option. Anyone correct? Simply actually I did value 0.5 into 10 to the power 15. 0.5 into 10 to the power 15 means 5 into 10 to the power 14. So fourth option correct. So fourth option correct. Okay, write down. Okay, students. Write down. Okay. Okay students, so these are wave number, frequency, velocity of light and another one is wavelength. So these are different types of useful relations. So these are simple problems. Remaining next concept I will start next period. Okay my dear students, up to here today enough, remaining class tomorrow. Okay, once follow the all concepts and formulas. Next class I will start another concept. So nature of light, yesterday I explained nature of light, one theory completed, wave theory of light completed. Next class I will start corpuscular theory of light. Corpuscular theory of light. Corpuscular theory of light. Okay my dear students, next concept tomorrow I will explain. After that I will give some problems also. Okay my dear students, thank you for all.